Pakistan is a resourceful and fertile country. Close to 67% of the people live in rural areas. Many are in extreme poverty and lack ways and means of improving their situation. A large number of these people live in remote villages with little access to basic facilities. Despite a host of problems, it has been observed that people in South Asia, specifically Pakistan, have shown tremendous potential and willingness to improve their condition. But they need social guidance and support to achieve their goals. Local social institutions such as panchayats, jirga, and utaq or kachehri play an important role in people's daily lives in the rural areas. These institutions have not been involved in development activities, particularly for poverty alleviation and social mobilization. While there is an extensive network of government organizations, there still exists a huge gap between these and the people. People lack the capacity to access services, while government organizations lack the capacity to reach out to the poor. This gap can be bridged only if people are organized and their capacities are built to raise their voices. There has always been a need to create a platform at the local level that enables the community members to harness their potential by undertaking household-level income-generating activities while having access to public services. In order to enhance social mobilization and empowerment, people can undertake various activities at the household, community, and village level in diverse sectors which include infrastructure, environment, health, education, agriculture, livestock, skills enhancement, enterprise development, and civic responsibilities.
There is tremendous potential in people, even the poorest of the poor. The only reason they are not able to unleash it because there are obstacles in their way. And if you create an enabling environment where those obstacles are removed, then, because poverty is at the household level, each family, each household will be able to rise above the level of subsistence. And then, of course, when you aggregate that at the village level, that's the whole village. And then from village you go to union council.
National Rural Support Program was formed in 1991 and has been working in Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The vision of NRSP is that the entire population of Pakistan is organized in the form of their own network of community institutions, and these institutions and their leaders are recognized as vehicles for sustainable development and poverty reduction. The mission of NRSP is to harness people's potential by fostering community institutions through community activists and community extension workers in local areas.
An organization needs leadership. So not only you organize, but you find an honest and competent leader amongst you who will take the organization forward. So that was the first principle. Second, he said that capital is power. Without money, nothing can be done in this world. And the third was that this potential, this power that you have, to harness it, you will need a lot of human resource development, you will need training. You should agree to be part of that.
NRSP works at the grassroots level to empower people and organizations, which then helps them to mobilize their whole communities. Once those community platforms are strong and mature, NRSP works to support them in managing local development initiatives. The building blocks for this process are community, village, and local support organizations. NRSP first conducts a situational analysis of an area by collecting socio-economic data. Households in the village are surveyed to identify levels of poverty. There are 6 levels ranging from extremely poor, chronically poor, transitory vulnerable, transitory non-poor and non-poor. The community organization members then prepare household micro-investment plans for income generation activities. This will lead to the preparation of village and union council development plans that cover other development needs.
जब हमने आगाज़ किया तंजीमात बनाने का तो दिसंबर 2008 में तो हमने मोहल्ले की सतह पर छोटी छोटी ख़वातीन की तंजीमें बनाई, उनको बताया कि हम लोग पहले भी काम कर रहे थे लेकिन हम लोग मुनज़्ज़म नहीं थे। फिर हमने कहा कि हम ख़वातीन मुनज़्ज़म होकर एक काम के लिए कॉज के लिए जमा हो सकती तो हम इसके अलावा बेहतरी के काम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, तरक्की के काम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, हम अपने इलाके में फलाह बहबूद के काम क्यों नहीं कर सकते। तो उस वक्त उनको मुख्तलिफ हमने ट्रेनिंग्स भी करवाई। उनको पता नहीं था कि उनके हुकूक क्या हैं, उनके फ़राइज़ क्या हैं। वो सिर्फ ख़वातीन अपने घरों तक महदूद थी, उनको पता था बस हमने घर का काम काज करना है। इसके अलावा उनको नहीं पता था कि उनके अंदर कितना टैलेंट है, कितनी सलाहियत है, वो आगे जा सकती हैं या ख़वातीन भी कुछ कर सकती हैं।
Training in management of community institutions and specialized training in technical skills are very important processes to develop sustainable social mobilization. NRSP strives to achieve gender equality and recognizes that every policy, program, and project affects women and men differently. The concerns and problems and the strengths of rural women are integrated into the CO, VO, and LSO development plans. This is a conscious effort to ensure that everyone has an equal right to avail the opportunities being offered by NRSP.
मेरे को ज़्यादा शौक है अपना भी तालीम तक हम जारी रख सके, हिंदे नाल अपना कोई हुनर जारी करा। सेड़ा तंजीमा बने हैं, तंजीमें दे नाल से को NRSP ने दी ट्रेनिंग दी है इस्लामाबाद। मैं टेलर कोर्स कराने वास्ते गई हूँ। मैंने घर ले को भटकाए, वहाँ के भी तेरी बीवी खराब है, घर छोड़ गई है तो सिलाई का काम सीख है, हुनर से क्या कर रही है। असां दाखिए तो जो भी अपना हुनर जिन्हें सीख वेंदे वो बंदे दे सोने दे हाथ थी मैंने वो कहीं मोड़ दो तो भी शिकस्त नहीं खा सकता। मैं अपनी बचत की थी, मैं अपना मकान बनाए, पहले तो मेरा मकान भी कहना हा पे ना मेरे घर लेते थे ना मेरा मकान है, मैं बेघर से कहीं अम्मा के घर रहते से कहीं कितना तो कहीं कितना। ये अपनी बचत इकट्ठे की हम तो ये अपना मकान ही मैं समझे जिंदी अपनी छत है वो सब कुछ है, मैंने कच्चा बने तो मैं पक्का बने एक मेरी अपनी छत बन हो।
Microfinance is one of the prime interventions for harnessing the potential of people.
This microfinancial services access provided by the support organization, the NRSP, allows them to improve their incomes at the household level. For that, what we offer to them is a line of credit, which is microcredit.
NRSP does this through a retail microcredit program as well as through a community investment fund. Other financial services include microinsurance for hospitalization and accidental death and savings products. NRSP enables the CO, VO and LSOs to establish strong linkages with the public services to access and also contribute towards improving these services. These community institutions also reach out to government departments and other donors to access funds for new projects identified in the village development plans. These funds are then utilized for technical trainings, transferring assets to the needy, or covering any accidental death, disability, and hospitalization costs through NRSP's micro insurance scheme.
मैंने हादसा बने मैं मजदूर थी गया करते आ गया मैं पहले ठीक हमी टुरदा फिरदा हमी ट्रैक्टर ड्राइवरी करना हमी खुद कफील हम मिस्त्री का काम भी करना हमी मैं NRSP ने इमदाद दी है मैं चंगा भला मेरा गुजारा थींदा पे मेरे बच्चे ने भी कफालत थींदी पई है।
The Village Union Council plans prepared by the COs, VOs, LSOs also identify their need for construction of basic infrastructure. In all of these schemes, community members contribute at least 20% of the cost and assume responsibility for the operation and maintenance of the schemes. The community infrastructure schemes that people identify through their own institutions play a very important role, not only in the development of local areas, but also to help combat the effects of natural disasters. Though the program is demand-driven, NRSP also introduces new technologies for increasing productivity and reducing losses. Examples of such interventions are solar panels, forced pumps and biogas.
असां जेके NRCP तरफ़ां सोलर एनर्जी ते असां लाइट जेका हलंदड़ आहे उन सां असांखे इहो ई फ़ाइदो थियो आहे त नाइट जो जेको सो असांखे रोशनी मिले थी। उन में असांजा जेके ॿार स्कूल था पार्ट टाइम में अचनि था उहो पंहिंजे स्कूल जो होमवर्क कनि था ऐं राति जो पार्ट टाइम में औरतूं जेके आहिनि उहे पंहिंजा भर्त भरीनि थियूं।
Health has always been a primary concern in the rural areas of Pakistan. NRSP attempts to link the community institutions with government services and creates awareness for preventing diseases, especially malaria, polio and TB.
असांजी जेकी मायूं हामल हूंदियूं आहिनि हुननि खे असां टुका पे कोन लॻाया कॾहिं में असांजी जेकी मायूं मरी वियूं असांजे ॻोठ में हिन हमला मसइले में हाणे त असां चेकअप कराईंदा आहियूं टुका लॻाराईंदा आहियूं। हाणे जेकी असांजी नज़र में जेकी मुश्किल केस ईंदियूं आहिनि उहो असां वधीन वठी वेंदा आहियूं।
मॉस्किटो नेट जे हवाले सां मच्छरदानियूं जेकी हुयूं उहे NRSP या कुझु इदारनि जे हवाले सां 2200 असां पंहिंजे यूनियन काउंसिल जे अंदरि प्रेग्नेंट वूमेन जेकियूं पेट वारी औरतूं हूंदियूं उन्हनि खे ऐं उनखां पोइ जेको 5 सालनि जे अंदरि नंढड़ा ॿार हूंदा 5 सालनि जे अंदरि उन्हनि खे असां 2200 मच्छरदानियूं जेकियूं से पंहिंजे यूनियन काउंसिल में विराए ॾिनियूं त जीअं त मलेरिया कंट्रोल थी सघे।
NRSP trains lady health workers to provide maternal child health services so expectant women get special attention and care they deserve. Special attention is given to people with disabilities. Employment opportunities are provided for them so they can become a useful asset to society. Medical staff also visits schools where children's health screening is also carried out. NRSP, with the vision of education for all, works with communities to increase enrollment and develops models for increasing access to quality education.
NRSP वालों ने हमारे साथ बहुत तावन किया। कुछ बच्चे ऐसे गरीब होते थे जिनके पास पूरे साल से स्टडी के लिए बुक्स नहीं होती थी, मतलब स्टडी की कोई चीज़ उनके पास नहीं होती थी, वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे। फिर NRSP की तावन से वो बच्चों की भी पढ़ाई शुरू होगी जो बच्चे नहीं आते थे स्कूलों में।
The concept of Children's Club has recently been introduced by NRSP in schools. These aim to create social responsibility in children.
हमारे स्कूल में NRSP वाले आए और उन्होंने हमें बताया कि आप अपने स्कूल में एक छोटी सी तंजीम बनाएं जिसका नाम होगा चाइल्ड क्लब। उस तंजीम को हमने मुख्तलिफ ओहदों में बांट दिया, जैसे कि मिसाल के तौर पर उसमें एक सदर था, सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ था, सेक्रेटरी फाइनेंस था। ये बच्चियां फिर अपनी मदद आपके तहत अपनी क्लास फेलोज से 2-2 रुपए जमा करती थी। तकरीबन 15,000 रुपये हमारे पास रकम थी, जिससे उन्होंने अपनी साथी तालबात के लिए इस रकम से यूनिफॉर्म ख़रीदी और फिर उनको उन गरीब बच्चियों में तकसीम किया जिनके वालिदैन उन्हें ये यूनिफॉर्म ख़रीद कर नहीं दे सकते। इससे बच्चों में हमदर्दी का जज्बा भी पैदा हुआ, एक दूसरे की मदद करने का जज्बा भी पैदा हुआ और उन्हें ये एहसास हुआ कि कतरा कतरा मिलकर दरिया बनता है।
मैं चाइल्ड क्लब में सेक्रेटरी ख़जाना हूँ। हम हर महीने बच्चों से 2-2 रुपये लेते हैं, अपने स्कूल की जो भी ज़रूरतें छोटी छोटी पूरी करते हैं वो हम उन पैसों से, और कभी हमें किसी चीज़ की भी ज़रूरत तो हम उनसे अपनी चीज़ें ले सकते हैं।
मैं चाइल्ड क्लब की सेक्रेटरी तालीम हूँ। चाइल्ड क्लब में हम 2007 से हैं और हमें बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है चाइल्ड क्लब से। हमने अपने स्कूल का वाइट वॉश कराया, इन पैसों से बच्चों की हेल्प कराई ताकि वो एजुकेशन हासिल कर सकें। अपने स्कूल को बेहतर से बनाने की कोशिश की और आज हमारा स्कूल माशाल्लाह हाई के दर्जे पे उसे मॉडल करार दिया गया है।
People expressed their thoughts and views in a convocation which was held in the Serena Hotel, Islamabad, organized by RSPN. RSPN provided a platform for people from all over Pakistan to come together and share their success stories. Women shared how they have raised their living standards and how the training is providing benefits to them.
बेनज़ीर इनकम सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम जो प्रोग्राम हलियो तो LSO जे तरफ़ां मूं फोकल पर्सन जी हैसियत में उते 24 ॾींहं मुसलसल उते मेगाफोन खणी उते औरतुनि खे उन्हनि जे तइलीम जे बारे में, सुजागी जे बारे में ॿुधायो, छो त औरतुनि जो वोट ज़रूरी आहे। उन्हनि औरतुनि जा वोट बि असां दाख़िल करारायोसीं, जो तक़रीबन 200 खनि वोट उन्हनि जा मूं दाख़िल कराराया आहिनि LSO जे तरफ़।
NRSP through COs and VOs encouraged the villagers to take active part in a registration process to get proper registration of their newborns and to register their weddings.
1080 लोगों ने शनाख्ती कार्ड बनवाए से वला लोगों दी बालें दी बर्थ रजिस्ट्रेशन करना थीम दी पी हुंदी ओ करवाई, निकाह रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाई से निकाह रजिस्ट्रेशन ओ आखे से जब भी काल को अगर मर्द थोड़े उते लिख पढ़ थी पे शादी तो कोई मसला थी में तो कुछ छोड़ नहीं बिल्ला वजह थी में तो निकाह रजिस्टर तो अदालत वनते अपना हक रजू कर सकदो, मंग सकदो।
NRSP stresses the need for disaster preparedness and disaster management. This is done by imparting training to communities and setting up a logistical system for receiving and delivering relief goods. The NRSP network of community institutions plays an important role in conducting rapid assessment and organizing relief reconstruction and rehabilitation. NRSP works through COs and VOs to increase productivity of livestock and agriculture, reduce losses and improve profitability by providing access to information, skills, microfinance and value addition interventions.
موږ د دې وخته پورې دا کاروبار کوو چې کله دا NRSP راله او دلته موږ ته دا پروګرام شروع کړو او موږ له ټریننګونه راکړه او موږ له تنظیمونه جوړ کړو. د هغې نه بعد موږ بیا هغه مال داسې په اخبار وچول یا په چټۍ وچول یا داسې په ترپال وچول موږ شروع کړو. د هغې نه اوس زموږ جي ترا به وړه په 100 روپۍ او 150 روپۍ کیلو به یې واخیسته. اوس نن سبا د هغې خرید 2800 روپۍ په منګوره کې 2800 روپۍ خرید دی. د څه سره چې کله NRSP راله او د دې پوهه یې جوړه کړه او په طریقه وچولو شروع کړو.
As a result of NRSP's 20 years of work, people in thousands of villages in Pakistan are now more geared towards living a healthy and happy life, and villages are getting equipped with the basic necessities. NRSP is continuously working and facilitating government at all levels for the delivery of various services through effective community participation and preparing the community for civic responsibilities, as NRSP believes that a community is only empowered for development when its members are organized, skilled, and know they can work towards achieving their goals. NRSP continues to expand and strengthen the network of community-based institutions and advocate their cause with the government and donors to ensure that the benefits of social mobilization reach the poor.